My name is Madeline Gay. I want to be a high school counselor. According to Study.com, the first priority of a high school counselor is to ensure that students perform their best academically. They help teenagers navigate the unique educational, social, and behavioral obstacles related to attending high school. This may include issues such as staying in school and avoiding substance abuse. They might also act as social workers in identifying home-based problems that may be having a negative impact on the academic and social development of students. A high school counselor has to know about career and college preparation to give advice to students regarding education and employment options after high school. This includes helping students with scholarships and applications. Most high school counselors have a master's degree either in psychology or education. According to my 4-year plan, I will be done with my bachelor's degree in about 3 years and can then go on to get my master's degree. I relate to 3 of the reasons to choose a psychology major listed in Chapter 13. I have a very strong interest in the subject matter, I want to be a professional psychologist, and I want to figure myself out. The main reason I want to be a counselor is to provide guidance to teenagers dealing with emotional issues such as depression. That is also the reason I chose to major in psychology. I want a career where I can help people, and there is a real need for good, understanding counselors in high schools. My decision to become a counselor was really solidified by my counselor in high school. I suffered from depression in high school, and she was able to help me by talking things through and providing me with resources to help me further. Her influence was critical in my development in high school. All in all, I think psychology is going to be a good fit for me.